Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the brand new Huawei Band 10 and its predecessor, Huawei Band 9. If you're wondering whether it's time to upgrade or if the Band 9 is still the better deal, you're in the right place. The Band 10 brings some sleek design changes with a premium aluminum alloy case and an improved AI-powered fitness experience, while the Band 9 sticks to its lightweight, no-frills approach. But the big question is, which one is best for your needs and style? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two fitness trackers and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start off with the design and build quality. The Huawei Band 10 gets a premium upgrade with an aluminum alloy case available in colors like matte black, white, green, blue, and purple. This gives it a sleek, high-end feel, thanks to CNC diamond-cut tech for that extra polish. But if you opt for the black or pink versions, you'll still get a polymer case, keeping it lightweight at just 14 grams. On the other hand, the Band 9 sticks entirely with a polymer body across all colors and even a blue nylon strap option. Both bands are ultra-thin at 8.99 millimeters, making them comfortable for all-day wear. When it comes to the straps, the Band 10 comes with sporty fluoroelastomer straps in 6 colors, while the Band 9 offers a mix of polymer and nylon options. If you're looking for a fitness tracker with a more refined, premium feel, the Band 10 takes the lead. But if you prefer something lightweight and simple, the Band 9 is still a great option. Moving on to the display, both the Huawei Band 10 and Band 9 feature the same 1.47-inch AMOLED screen, with a resolution of 194 by 368 pixels, offering sharp visuals at 282 ppi. Colors pop in swipes and taps feel smooth, so in terms of display quality, there's no real difference. But the Band 10 introduces customizable widgets, letting you set up shortcuts to your most used features, making navigation faster and more intuitive. This small but handy tweak gives the Band 10 a slight edge in terms of user experience. Both bands support always-on display, so you can check the time at a glance without waking the screen. Additionally, Huawei's Health app offers a massive selection of over 10,000 watch faces for both models, allowing you to customize your tracker with anything from minimalist designs to fun animations. If you're all about personalization, the Band 10's added widgets make it the better choice. But if you're fine with a simple and functional display, the Band 9 holds up just as well. When it comes to health and fitness tracking, both bands come packed with essential sensors, including a 9-axis IMU sensor, an optical heart rate sensor, and an ambient light sensor. They handle steps, heart rate, SpO2 levels, and stress tracking like pros, but the Band 10 introduces some impressive AI-powered upgrades. Sleep tracking has been significantly improved with HRV-based monitoring, which analyzes your sleep trends over 7 days to detect stress and other factors affecting rest. It even tracks naps with 97% accuracy and screens for sleep apnea risks, something the Band 9 lacks. When it comes to the fitness, the Band 10 includes an AI swimming posture model with 97.9% accuracy, helping swimmers perfect their technique, and an upgraded indoor running mode for more precise pace and distance tracking. Both bands offer over 100 workout modes, so you're covered for everything from yoga to high-intensity training. The Band 10 also introduces an emotional well-being assistant, featuring a panda mascot that tracks your mood and suggests relaxation techniques. While the Band 9 still delivers reliable fitness tracking, the Band 10 takes it to the next level with AI-powered enhancements and deeper health insights. In terms of battery life, Huawei continues to deliver impressive longevity. Both the Band 10 and Band 9 last up to 14 days with light use, 3 days with always-on display enabled, and around a week with typical use. The Band 10's typical use drops slightly to 8 days, compared to the Band 9's 9-day estimate, mainly due to the extra health tracking features. Charging remains the same with both devices using a magnetic charger, and a quick 5-minute charge gets you 2 days of battery life. There's no major winner here since both deliver excellent battery performance, but if you're looking for the longest possible battery life, the Band 9 technically edges out by a day under typical use. As for my final verdict, the Huawei Band 10 is a top-tier fitness tracker that checks a lot of boxes. With its premium aluminum design, AI-enhanced health tracking, improved fitness features, and upgraded smart tools like widgets and media controls, it offers a more refined experience. But the Band 9 is still a fantastic choice if you prefer a simpler, lightweight tracker without extra frills. If you're happy with solid fitness tracking and longer battery life, the Band 9 remains a steal. But if you want a more premium feel and next-level health insights, the Band 10 is definitely worth the upgrade. Drop your thoughts below and let's keep the convo going. Catch you in the next one.